ChuChu Daily Surprise Eggs!
Hi there, friends!
Hey there, Mr. Harlow!
I'm so happy to see you all. Today we're gonna go to the park to learn about vehicles that babies and kids use.
Yay!
Okay, let's cast our magic spell.
ChuChu!
Come on, kids! Let's open these colorful eggs one by one.
Oh, yeah! Let's go!
Let's open the red egg first.
Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the red egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It's a stroller!
Yay!
Mommy uses the stroller to take the baby for a stroll around the park.
Hi! Hi!
Let's open the green egg next.
Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the green egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It's a rocking horse.
Yay!
Mommy teaches the baby to rock on the rocking horse. Let's open the blue egg next.
Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the blue egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It's a baby walker.
Yay!
Mommy uses the baby walker to help the baby learn to walk. Let's open the pink egg next.
Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the pink egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It's a tricycle.
A tricycle!
Mommy uses a tricycle to teach the baby to pedal around the park. Let's open the yellow egg next.
Thank you!
Shall we open the yellow egg?
Open, open, open! Surprise!
It's a scooter.
Yeah! Wow! Mr. Harlow, can we take turns riding it?
Well, sure. One by one. Did you kids have fun learning about the baby vehicles?
You bet, Mr. Harlow. We had a wonderful time.
I'm so happy to hear that. It's getting late, and it's time to head home. See you soon. Goodbye, my friends.
Goodbye. We look forward to seeing you soon, Mr. Harlow.